To get started with Backend, we are going to register a new account. We're going to put our username and email in the appropriate fields, as well as a password for the account. And once the account is created, we are going to create a new Backend app. So we'll give it a name and a title, and then we will click Create New App. And from here, we are going to create a new free MySQL database, and we are not going to use the sample data because we are going to seed it with our own database template. So we'll click Manage App. We'll go to Database, Templates. We're going to delete the existing template, paste in a new one that mimics a to-do app. And from here, we are going to go to GitHub, and we're going to copy this URL for this repo, and we are going to clone it. And then we'll step into the directory, and from here, let's look at the code. And so in the backend service, we have the code to actually read all of the items from the database, and we are calling it from our main controller. And once it's completed, we're setting it to a to-dos property on the controller, and then we are displaying it using this Angular template code. We can also do interesting things like server-side actions. So for instance, we can set up a hook to make a PayPal payment, or after an order has been created or an item has been created, to send out an email. We can also set up custom security templates for our application. So we will go ahead and create a new template for the to-do app. We'll go ahead and select some options that we want, giving the user full control to perform CRUD operations in our application. And then from here, let's actually run it and see what it looks like. So we'll hop back into the command line, npm install, bower install, and then grunt serve. We will log into our application using the account that we just registered. We'll put in our password and the application that we just created. We'll click Login, and let's create a to-do. And let's just do one more for good measure. And now we can hop into the admin tool and examine our database and see indeed that these items have been created. This has been a very quick tour of some of the things that you can do with Backend. We hope to see you soon.